Good morning, students. Today we will start the exercise 7.3. Question number 1. State whether the fractions are in their lowest terms or not. As we know that a fraction is said to be in its lowest term or simplest form when its numerator and denominator do not have any common factor except 1. So, in 1a, the given fraction is 12 upon 18. Here 12 is numerator and 18 is denominator. First let us find factors of 12 and 18. Factors of 12 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. And factors of 18 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. The common factors of 12 and 18 is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 6. 1, 2, 3 and 6. Thus, we can say that 12 upon 18 is not in its lowest terms. Okay? Now in 1D, the given fraction is 6 upon 7. Let us find first the factors of 7 and 6. Factors of 6 and 7 are factors of 6 is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 6, where factors of 7 is equal to 1 and 7, and the common factors of 6 and 7 is equal to 1. Thus, we can say that 6 upon 7 is in its lowest terms. Okay? Like this, you have to solve question number 1 and check each fraction which is in their lowest term or not. Okay? Now, question number 2. Encircle the fraction which is in its lowest terms. To do this, we have to do same process as we have done in question number 1. So, check each fraction which is in its lowest term or not, and then encircle the fraction which is in lowest term. Okay? Now, question number 3. Reduce the fractions to the lowest terms. For this, we have to remember 2 points while reducing fraction to lowest form. First, select the common factor which divides the numerator and denominator. And second point is, repeat this till we get 1 as the common factor for numerator and denominator. In question number 3, reduce the fractions to the lowest terms. A, the given fraction is question number 3a. The given fraction is 20 upon 60. We can divide numerator and denominator by its common factor step by step. Okay, so let's start. 20 upon 60 will be divided by its common factor 2. 2 10 ja 20 and 2 30 ja 60. And the quotients are 10 upon 30. We can again divide 10 and 30 by its common factor 2. That is 2 5 ja 10 and 2 15 ja 30. And the quotients are written here. Okay. Now it can be again divided by its common factor 5 1 ja 5 and 5 3 ja 15. And the quotients are 1 upon 3. Now we can see that this fraction has one common factor. So we can say that the lowest term is equal to the lowest term of 20 upon 60 is equal to 1 upon 3 answer. Okay, like this you have to solve all question number 3, B, C, D, E and F and do complete exercise 7.3 in your maths notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.